XLPE cable manufacturing is a massive, high-stakes industrial process, and it ultimately culminates here, in the degassing room. After the initial production stages, cables are placed inside these chambers and exposed to prolonged heat. The goal is to force trapped gases out of the insulation before the cable proceeds to quality-sensitive downstream operations. Deep within the insulation layers, residual cross-linking byproducts, chemicals like acetophenone and cumyl alcohol, remain trapped. Consistent heat excites these molecules, forcing them to migrate outward. To successfully purge these chemicals and ensure the dielectric strength of the final product, the thermal environment must remain perfectly stable for extremely long durations. The risk in this environment operates on a slow dynamic scale. Thermal degradation rarely presents as a sudden mechanical failure. It begins as a quiet, creeping variance in the ambient temperature over hours or days. Because these physical risks operate on a microscopic, slow-moving timeline, traditional methods of observation fail to register the accumulating danger until the product is permanently compromised. The industry standard for monitoring the thermal state of these rooms is the conventional Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System, or SCADA. This chart demonstrates the binary logic of a conventional SCADA setup, a predefined baseline capped by a rigid alarm threshold. Gradual thermal drift can evade this setup. A slow, steady temperature rise accumulates beneath the threshold's radar, remaining entirely invisible to the alarm logic. Other localized faults routinely bypass binary alarms as well. A single corner of the room may overheat while the central thermostat reads normal, or a stuck sensor may continuously report a safe value while the actual ambient temperature plummets. This creates a psychological trap for the operator. The control screen shows 0 active alarms, implying a stable environment, while the physical cable insulation degrades. Relying exclusively on a reactive, threshold-based system guarantees that by the time an alarm finally triggers, the damage is already done. The M0N0SEDA framework provides a deployed, structural solution to this monitoring limitation. To establish true spatial awareness, M0N0SEDA distributes 13 active monitoring nodes across the footprint of the degassing room. Zooming in to the micro level, each node splits into 5 dedicated thermocouples, labeled TC1 through TC5, wrapped directly around the individual cable drums. BrainChild distributed I/O modules capture these raw thermal energy readings and digitize them at the source. This dense, localized hardware array transforms the degassing room from an opaque black box into a highly resolute, measurable thermal grade. To move digitized signals across the noisy factory floor, the system uses Modbus RTU protocol over RS-485 cables. Packets arrive at the BrainChild PCE gateway, translating serial data into standard Ethernet TCP/IP before reaching their final destination, the centralized SCADA historian database. The polling logic executes a continuous loop. Every single cycle, the system collects, scales, and timestamps 65 distinct temperature values. The storage mapping is entirely deterministic. The value from TC1 always routes to column TC1, ensuring structural integrity in the dataset over years of continuous operation. Without pristine historical data, deploying predictive maintenance algorithms is mathematically impossible. The historian feeds this structured data directly into a real-time SCADA dashboard, creating a visual interface for the human operators. We can observe the practical value of this interface in the Degassing Room 6 case study. An operator watches 5 separate sensor traces hold steady at 72 degrees for several hours. Suddenly, all 5 independent traces begin a synchronized downward decline. 5 separate sensors dropping simultaneously eliminates the probability of an isolated hardware failure or a single loose wire. It mathematically proves a genuine room-wide cooling event. By surfacing historical multi-sensor context, M0N0SEDA equips operators with the evidence needed to definitively diagnose process-level events, rather than guessing about isolated glitches. Even with an optimized dashboard, a facility manager cannot mathematically correlate 65 continuous temperature streams in their head in real time. This limitation requires an algorithmic extension, MONOSEDA-THI, an intelligence layer built on top of the historian. This diagram illustrates the feature engineering stage. The AI extracts 3 types of descriptors from the raw data: statistical behavior, temporal evolution, and safety margins. These engineered features are fed into an isolation forest, an unsupervised machine learning algorithm. The isolation forest doesn't search for known errors. It maps the normal data distribution and isolates any observation that requires fewer mathematical steps to separate from the main cluster. It trains exclusively on normal operating conditions. The facility does not need to provide vast datasets of labeled failure states for the model to work. Modeling the normal breathing of a room covers more operational ground than manually programming thousands of specific edge case roles. Raw statistical anomaly scores are mathematically precise, but useless to an operator managing a factory floor. The framework translates this complex output into the Thermal Health Index, or THI, scaling the math into a bounded index from 0 to 100. The THI outlines operational risk through a fluid transition, dropping from healthy down through watch, morning, and critical levels. This split chart compares THI against a conventional SCADA system during an anomaly. While the temperature line slowly approaches the threshold, the THI curve begins to plummet. It drops into the warning zone hours before the physical temperature touches the SCADA threshold. This captured time gap is the operational definition of predictive maintenance. It gives engineers the runway to intervene before the product is lost. Trust remains a barrier. Plant managers will not halt a multi-million-dollar production line simply because an opaque algorithm told them to. To solve this, the framework integrates SHAP, Shapley Additive Explanations. This chart visualizes the SHAP values. They break down the THI score, showing engineers transition exactly which data feature, like thermal range, drove the anomaly alert. The chain of custody is completely unbroken, starting as physical heat on a thermocouple, moving through the network gateway, structured in the historian, processed by the isolation forest, and translated into an actionable THI score. Industry 4.0 provides the defensible predictive architecture required to manage the unseen physics of manufacturing.